Hey everyone! Let's be real. Whether you're working from a home office, a corporate cubicle, or your kitchen table, a cluttered and inefficient workspace can totally kill your productivity and your vibe. But what if you could transform your desk from a source of stress into a powerhouse of efficiency? Well, in today's video, that's exactly what we're doing. We're counting down the 10 best gadgets for your workspace and productivity. All the links to check out these products for yourself are waiting for you in the description below and in the first pinned comment, so be sure to check those out. Let's get right into it. Kicking off our list is a gadget that tackles two of the biggest desk problems at once: clutter and forgotten ideas. This is the Varhomax Glass Desk Whiteboard, and it's so much more than just a place to scribble notes. First, it replaces that chaotic mess of sticky notes with a sleek, 4mm thick tempered glass surface that writes smoothly and, crucially, erases completely without any ghosting or residue. It sits right between your monitor and keyboard, perfect for jotting down quick reminders, phone numbers, or brainstorming ideas during a Zoom call. But here's the really smart part. It's also a powerful desk organizer. The base has 5 built-in compartments to store your pens, markers, paper clips, and even your phone or tablet, which fits perfectly in the top slot. It declutters your space in a way that's both functional and stylish. So if you're tired of losing important notes under a pile of paperwork and want to cut down on paper use, this glass whiteboard is a brilliant and simple upgrade to start transforming your workspace. Next up is a deceptively simple gadget that could completely transform how you manage your time and focus: the COWVTUJ Pomodoro Timer Cube. In our world of constant digital distractions, this little cube offers a tangible, focused approach to productivity. What I love about this is its brilliant simplicity. There are no complicated apps to navigate or buttons to press. You simply flip it to your desired time, 5, 10, 25, or 50 minutes, and it starts counting down automatically. Want to pause? Flip it screen up. Need to reset? Flip it face down. It's that intuitive. This is specifically designed for the Pomodoro technique, that famous 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, but it's so much more versatile. The clear LED display shows both numbers and these helpful visual time bars that fill in as time passes, giving you an at-a-glance sense of your progress. It's particularly helpful for visual learners or anyone who needs that physical reminder to stay on task. Plus, it's rechargeable via USB-C, incredibly portable, and offers both audible and silent vibration alerts, making it perfect for offices, libraries, or any workspace where you need to maintain deep focus without the distraction of your phone. Moving on to our third gadget, the Tounee 360 bookstand. Now, you might think a bookstand is just for reading, but this particular model is an absolute game changer for anyone who works with physical documents, recipes, or sheet music. What immediately sets this apart is the full 360-degree rotation. This means you can effortlessly swing your book or tablet to share content with someone sitting across from you, or simply find that perfect viewing angle without constantly repositioning the entire stand. It's a small feature that makes a huge difference in daily use. The ergonomic benefits are substantial. If you spent hours studying or working from physical texts, the stand eliminates the need to hunch over at your desk. By bringing your content up to eye level, it significantly reduces strain on your neck, shoulders, and back. The elastic page clips are genuinely clever. They securely hold everything from novel pages to thick textbook sheets without damaging them. Plus, it folds down flat for space-saving storage, making it perfect for small apartments or crowded desks. Whether you're following a recipe with messy hands, practicing music, or diving into research, the stand transforms reading from a physically taxing activity into a comfortable, hands-free experience that boosts both comfort and productivity. Up next is a gadget that solves a universal workspace problem: the constant head bobbing between your screen and documents. This is the Note Tower Monitor Document Holder, and it's all about creating a seamless, ergonomic workflow. What's brilliant here is the simple clip-on design that attaches directly to your laptop, tablet, or desktop monitor using an included adapter. No more fighting with bulky stands that eat up precious desk space. The flexible clips make loading papers a true one-handed operation. Just slide your documents in, and they're secured at perfect eye level. This is a game changer for data entry, transcription work, or any task that requires frequent reference to physical documents. By eliminating that constant up and down neck movement, it significantly reduces strain while actually improving your typing speed and accuracy. Think about it. Your reference material sits right next to your digital workspace, creating a truly integrated setup. Plus, it's incredibly portable. The clip-on, clip-off design means you can easily toss it in your laptop bag. Whether you're working from the office, a coffee shop, or home, this little accessory delivers major ergonomic benefits while keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Now for something that blends pure innovation with desk toy magic, the novium Ballpoin Hoverpen. This isn't just a writing instrument, it's a conversation piece that literally defies gravity. The engineering here is fascinating. Using carefully calibrated magnets in both the pen and its weighted base, it creates this mesmerizing floating effect without any batteries or power required. It's crafted from premium metals that feel substantial in your hand, and the company claims it's built to last for decades. But here's what makes it genuinely useful beyond the wow factor. It's a fully functional premium ballpoint pen. The waterproof, archival quality ink provides a smooth writing experience, and the cartridges are easily replaceable. For those moments when you're deep in thought or on a video call, giving it a gentle spin can be surprisingly satisfying and even help stimulate creativity. Whether you're looking for a unique fidget tool that boosts focus or want to add a centerpiece to your workspace that never fails to impress, the Hoverpen delivers both form and function in a way that you have to see to believe. Next up is a gadget that addresses something many of us don't think about until we feel the strain: proper wrist support during long computer sessions. This is the PostureUp wrist rest, and its unique L-shaped design makes it genuinely different from typical wrist pads. What makes this so effective is how it seamlessly supports your entire arm movement area. The longer section cushions your forearms and wrists during typing, while the perpendicular section provides that same comfortable support when you switch to your mouse. This continuous support helps maintain neutral wrist positions that can significantly reduce fatigue and discomfort over those long workdays or gaming sessions. The premium slow rebound memory foam is key here. It conforms to your arm shape without bottoming out, providing consistent comfort and pressure relief. Plus, the textured rubber base keeps it firmly anchored to your desk even during more intense typing or gaming movements. For anyone who spends hours at their computer, this isn't just about comfort, it's about investing in your long-term well-being, helping you work more comfortably and sustainably throughout the day. Now, let's tackle one of the most universal workspace eyesores: cable chaos. The Lamicall rotatable cord organizers are simple clips that deliver surprisingly sophisticated cable management. What sets these apart is the 360-degree swivel design. Unlike rigid clips that force your cables into awkward positions, these rotate freely to accommodate exactly how you use your devices. This prevents strain on charging ports and keeps cables from developing those frustrating kinks that eventually lead to damage. The spring-loaded mechanism is another standout feature. It presses to open, and your cable snaps securely into place. The industrial-strength acrylic adhesive is another standout feature. It holds firmly to most surfaces but promises zero residue if you ever need to reposition or remove them. With 6 in a pack, you can systematically eliminate cable tangles from your entire desk setup, routing everything from thick laptop chargers to slim USB-C cables. It's one of those simple upgrades that makes your workspace look instantly more professional and saves you from daily untangling frustrations. Now, this might be the most futuristic gadget on our list: the OIKKEI AI wireless mouse. This isn't just a mouse, it's like having a portable productivity assistant that fits in the palm of your hand. What really makes it stand out is the built-in ChatGPT integration and voice recorder. Imagine finishing a meeting and having an AI-generated summary ready in seconds, all without switching devices. It also works as an air mouse, letting you control your screen from across the room, perfect for presentations or casual browsing. It's packed with pro features too: a red laser pointer, adjustable spotlight for highlighting key points during slideshows, and a precise 12,000 dpi optical sensor for smooth tracking. And with a battery that lasts up to 600 hours on a single charge, it's built to keep up with your busiest days. Next up is a simple but brilliantly effective solution for desk clutter: the SKYDUE 360-degree rotating desk organizer. This isn't just another stationary pen holder, it's a smart rotating system that puts all your most used items right at your fingertips. The 360-degree rotation is what really makes this stand out. Instead of digging through a stationary container, you can simply spin the entire organizer to quickly find the exact pen, tool, or supply you need. It might seem like a small feature, but it saves time and frustration throughout your workday. Despite its compact footprint, just 5 inches across, it features 5 separate compartments that can hold everything from pens and pencils to makeup brushes, kitchen utensils, or small craft supplies. The build quality feels substantial too, made from durable materials that'll stand up to daily use without tipping over. It's one of those accessories that combines pure functionality with clean aesthetics, helping transform a messy workspace into an organized, efficient area that actually makes your day flow better. Wrapping up our list with what might be the ultimate productivity upgrade, the ApexDesk Sit-to-Stand Electric Desk Converter. If you considered making the switch to a standing desk but don't want to replace your entire workstation, this is your perfect solution. What impresses me most is the robust, fully motorized design. With just a touch of a button, this converter silently lifts your entire work setup from sitting to standing position in seconds. The steel frame construction provides remarkable stability even at its maximum height of 18 inches. No wobbling when you're typing or adjusting positions. It's this thoughtful engineering that makes transitioning between sitting and standing truly seamless throughout your workday. For anyone spending long hours at a desk, this isn't just about comfort, it's about transforming your entire work experience. By easily alternating between sitting and standing, you can boost circulation, reduce fatigue, and maintain energy levels through even the most demanding work sessions. Well, that wraps up our 10 gadgets to transform your workspace and boost your productivity. From the simple elegance of the glass whiteboard to the game-changing standing desk converter, each of these tools offers a smart way to work smarter, not harder. Remember, the best workspace is one that works for you, keeping you organized, comfortable, and focused. If you found these recommendations helpful, be sure to hit that like button. I'd love to hear which one of these caught your eye. Let me know in the comments what you'll be adding to your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.